Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Still on the ultimate love show, Jaykech has been evicted from the love pad. Ultimate Love 2020 couple Jay and Nkechi, nicknamed Jaykech, have been evicted from the Ultimate Love pad in week 6 during the live eviction show hosted by Dakore. Jaykech checked out. We have been having series of questions to know names of couple evicted from Ultimate Love show. Jay and Nkechi were evicted together as a couple during the live eviction show in week 6 after the nomination earlier for possible checkout from the Ultimate Love 2020 reality TV show. Recall that Jay and Nkechi, Chrisville and Chris, nicknamed Double Chris, Ike and Teresa, nicknamed Ikrisa, Obichukwu and Ebite, nicknamed Obiebi, were up for possible eviction this week of the show for having the highest number of nominations from fellow love guests in the love pad. Jay and Nkechi were checked out from the Ultimate Love show just now, and the live show has just ended. Jay and Nkechi left the show empty-handed without winning the grand prizes as expected by their fans during the reality show, but they played the portmanteau game and they went home with 500k. So I think that is a good reward for them, and I hope it's helped them. They plan their life from there, and I'm happy they are out of the house because of I didn't really like Jay in the house, so I'm happy he's no longer in the house. Okay guys, that's just what went down in the Ultimate Love show. And then they've nominated, and hopefully our favorite couple are not up for nomination. Stay tuned. I would broadcast the nominated housemates for you shortly. Okay, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drop.